Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy and I'm back for another video. Yes, I'm back for an unboxing video. So we're going to do unboxing today. As you can see, I'm not in my regular setup. I'm not really planning to make a video today, but then I received this package and I just came from work. So I just do a quick setup. Let's do it this way. Oh. And let's just film the video because I have to open this box right away so I would know if it's in good condition. Just to give you an idea, this is what the box looks like when I receive it. If you want to see what's inside this box, because I haven't seen what's inside it as well. I know what's the item inside. I know what I ordered, but with the condition of the box that I received, I want to know if the bag is in good condition. So if you want to see more about this unboxing, please keep on watching. But before I start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag videos. Sometimes I upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. So, as what I was saying, I got this box in this condition. This package I ordered from Farfetch. This was shipped through FedEx. When I came home, I saw this box. It came like 3 days earlier than expected because they said it will arrive on Monday, but it arrived Friday. So it required signature, and the only person in my house earlier was my daughter, so she has to sign it. But they gave the box in this condition. My information is here, so yeah. So this is what the box looks like when we received it. So let's remove the plastic and see. I was really surprised, like what happened to the box? Why does it look like that? So this is what it looks like. Pretty much you can see what's inside the box, and the other part is, you can see, you can almost open it. So I don't really need a cutter to open this. I'll just pop it open, and my item is in here. Then open. There you go. There you go. So if you look inside, that's the bag I bought. Probably you already know what the bag I ordered based on the title, but yes, here it is. It's in a paper, tissue paper, and it says sugar. I don't know why it says sugar. And let's see. Cross my fingers. Hopefully it's in brand new condition. Hopefully it's just the box that is damaged, and everything will be in good condition. I don't know what the sugar. I have to wear my glasses. Oh, Sugar Contemporary Ideas on Fashion Shop at Sugar, Italy. Oh, this bag came from Italy. So you order at Farfetch, and then the bags will come from different countries where it's available. Like this one is from Italy. So let's open this part. This is already ripped. I can see a dust bag. Oh. There it is. There it is. Ooh. There you go. It's a bag from A.P.C. There you go. It's in a dust bag. Oh. It has the tag. Ooh. What happened? It has the tag. It says there A.P.C. And this is what it looks like. Seems like it's factory wrap, kinda. Not totally, but we'll see. We'll see. Now I have to wear my glasses because I cannot see the little details. Okay, let's remove that. Wow. Let me inspect the bag if there's any scratches. Right now, I don't see any. I'm relieved. Right now, I don't see any dents or any unnecessary marks or any scratches. But I will probably inspect this bag more later. But for now, it looks good. It, thank goodness, it looks good. It still has that plastic tape on the, what do you call that? On the metal closure, which is good. And it's wrapped, like it has the wrapping in there. Let's look at the inside. Okay, all right. So this is the bag. This is from A.P.C. This is the Grace A.P.C shoulder bag in the color black with gold hardware. You know, like the 2023, I don't remember when it started, when they were talking about quiet luxury. And I've been seeing this bag for a while. This bag, I think the Melier and the Auguste. Those are the bags that has similar designs that is comparable, like a Celine box. I think that's a Celine box. It's similar to the Celine bag, which is like at a fraction of a price. So I cannot afford a Celine bag. I think that bag is like $3,000, but this one is around 700, I think. Initially, I was not really planning to buy this right away. I was looking at this bag and then I saw, I can't remember if I saw it on Saks Fifth or can't remember the website. It was like $600. And then the 2 days after I looked back at the website, the price went up. So I don't know if they had a price increase. It went up to $700. So I started searching where I can find the cheaper price. And then I saw Farfetch. It was 700. I'll put the numbers in here. I cannot remember the exact price. And they're having a promo of 25% off. So it came down to 500 something. So I said, okay, I'll buy it. I did use Rakuten, but they only have 2% rebate. But I still did use that. I think I did use. Oh, don't mind my messy hair because I just came from work and I just put my hair on a bun. So this is the bag. This looks good. I think this is the regular size. There's a smaller size, but for my height and my frame, a smaller size probably would look too small. I chose the bigger one. My hair is falling. My hair is falling down. Let's fix it. This is just an impromptu video. Sorry. This is reality. When you're not really prepared. I've been working a lot lately, so I've been working Monday to Friday. And plus I've been like, when I get home, I'll be cooking cooking dinner, and in the morning I have to prepare the lunch for breakfast and like pack lunch for the kids. So I'm kind of busy lately. But I just want to get this unboxing done. Like, I'm all over the place. I know. My thoughts are like all over the place, but I hope you I hope you understand what I'm talking about. It's just an informal kind of video. So yes, what were we talking about? We're talking about like oh, so when I got this, when I saw this at Farfetch, when they have 25% off, I said, I don't want to take the risk and this bag will have another price increase. And I look at different websites. Some of them will have like $360 for the price, but you have to pay the tax and duties from, I think it's coming from Europe. So I don't want to pay those. I just want to have like a one-time amount and just pay for that. So I used Farfetch. I tried to use, because it says there for medical, you'll get 10% for medical or firefighter something discount. So I did that. but it doesn't work. Discount code that they gave me didn't work, so I didn't get the extra 10%. I was looking for a video of the A.P.C, the regular one. Most of the videos I've seen are the smaller size because I want to compare like what size should I buy. And I've seen like Hello City Catwalk did unboxing or a video for the A.P.C, but it's a different shape. It's like a baguette style. And even LV Alicate, she did an A.P.C unboxing. They have the same bag, but I cannot find a lot of videos with the grays on a regular size. So I just went in and pay for this bag. So it will be a quick, I will probably not do a try on. We'll just do another video for that. I'll just show you what this bag looks like. This is the front. It has a gold hardware, and I think you pull it from the bottom, and then the inside looks like so. And I think it has 3 compartments, but those are like slim compartments on front and back, and the main compartment is on the middle. There's no pocket at the back. You can see there's no pocket at the back. The handles are not detachable, but as far as I know, this is adjustable, and there's no fit. This is a smooth leather. That's all I can show you as of now. The feel for this bag, it is stiff. Like when I open this and like to open the bag, it is like stiff. That's all. That's my first impression. It is boxy and stiff. Like when you press this, you see it doesn't really move. It doesn't bend. So it's a boxy style. Then opening the bag, it's kind of, especially the front pocket, it is really stiff. So yeah, that's it for our quick unboxing video for today. I hope you like this video. Please write on a comment. And I know I'm all over the place, and I hope I'll be seeing you again soon for another bag video. I hope you like our video for today. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!